Do you know the best four ways a beginners can make money from Nigerian stocks exchange and from Nigerian stocks? The Nigerian Stock Exchange is one of Africa's largest and most vibrant markets, offering everyday Nigerians opportunities to build wealth. However, many beginners shy away from the stock market because they believe it is too complex or only for experts. The truth is that with the right knowledge and strategy, even a beginner can start earning from Nigerian stocks. Here are the four best ways Nigerians can make money from Nigerian stocks. Number one is dividend investing. One of the simplest ways to make money from stocks in Nigeria is through dividends. What it means: dividends are periodic cash payments companies make to shareholders out of their profits. Example: companies like Zenith Bank, GTCO, Access Holdings, and MTN Nigeria are well known for consistent dividend payouts. Why this works for beginners: you don't need to monitor daily stock prices. Once you own the shares, you receive your dividends when it is declared. You need to look out for companies with a strong track record of consistent dividend payouts. Some of the companies I've mentioned above are good at that, together with companies like Mobile, Nestle Foods, and many more. If you need a list of 5 or 4 companies from time to time, you can ask in the comment section of this video and I'm going to provide them for you, because the dividend ability to pay dividends varies or changes over the years. Number 2 way is capital appreciation. You buy low and you sell high. Another way to earn money from stocks is by selling them at a higher price than you bought them. What it means: you buy shares when they are undervalued, that means when they are cheap, and then you sell when their prices rises. Example: if you bought Dangote cement shares at 250 naira and they rise to 350 naira, you earn 100 naira per share in profit. Why does this work for beginners? With patience and a little market research, you can identify growing companies and ride their growth. Another tip on this is that you have to focus on blue chip stocks, big reliable companies, and growth stocks in sectors like banking, telecoms, agriculture, and oil and gas. Then number 3 is that you have to be participating in right issues and bonus shares. Nigerian companies sometimes reward shareholders with extra benefits. Right issues: a company may allow existing shareholders to buy additional shares at a discounted price. If you buy at this discount and the share price rises, you make money. Then bonus shares: some companies give shareholders free shares instead of cash dividends, increasing your holdings without extra cost. Why this works for beginners: it allows you to grow your portfolio faster without needing huge capital. The tip on this is that you have to always evaluate whether the company issuing rights or bonuses has strong financials before investing more. Number 4 is long-term wealth building, holding blue chip stocks. The Nigerian stock market rewards patience. What does this mean? Buying and holding shares of stable, profitable companies over many years. Example: someone who invested in GT Bank or Nestle shares 10 years ago will have seen significant growth in value plus dividends. Why does this work for beginners? It reduces stress from daily price fluctuations and allows compounding of returns. Tip: think long term. Invest in companies with strong fundamentals, consistent profits, and solid market presence. In conclusion, making money from Nigerian stocks is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Beginners must learn to start small and grow gradually. Diversify across different sectors: banking, telecoms, FMCG, oil and gas. Then you need to stay updated with market news through the Nigerian Exchange Group and financial newspapers. With patience, consistency, and smart choices, Nigerian stocks can become a reliable wealth building tool for hustlers and beginners alike. I believe you have gained value from this video. If that is the case, please subscribe, like, share, and comment in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, please go ahead and watch this video popping up directly from my page now. See you in the next one. Bye.